But sorry about the second video. We're not done yet. There's another train down there. I'm getting out of his garage because this is stupid. So there's a train. Really dim light down there. Coming up. See this thing?
Yeah, I saw him was right there. That you just walked in once you see that.
Yep, it's on this side. This is on this side. We don't know if it's gonna stop or not because there's a whole crap load of people down there. I'm hoping not because it's going pretty fast. You see that light down there? Yep, but I don't think it's stopping. I hope not. Come on, keep going. No stopping. He's stopping? Right, he stopped actually.
Alright, let's go eat.
Wait, I want to get this up
This way.
close. I want to get this up close. Something I need to get up. Right, here we go. There's a train. I'm going to show you one that blowed up close. This is the fast one.
Oh, yeah, look at this. Okay, ready?
This is one of the fast ones. That's actually, maybe we'll go on it. Yeah. Actually, no. That was all the trains. 3 trains. Third one stopped. Up close, you got a big one up close. Well, have a nice day.